From humble beginnings in a remote village in northeastern China to a bustling chain of restaurants in Seattle, Lily Wu's story is a testament to perseverance and passion. Born in a rural area where wheat was the only grain, she grew up craving the comforting warmth of Biang Biang Noodles, long, chewy, and silky. Her early life was shaped by hardship, walking 2 miles to see a paved road, then a car, which ignited her dream of changing her family's fate. After studying in Beijing and later working as a housekeeper in New York, she returned to Seattle in 2006, driven by a desire to bring her beloved noodles to American diners. Wu's journey began with a simple goal: to create a place where people can savor the richness of Chinese cuisine. Her first restaurant, Xi'an Noodles, opened in 2016 in the University District, and within a decade, she expanded to 2 more locations, eventually launching Happy Crab in Auburn and a Waterfront outpost in Ballard. Her success wasn't just about recipes, it was about building a community. She once worked 15 hours a day cleaning hotels, yet she poured her heart into every dish, from the dough's texture to the flavor of her signature Biang Biang Noodles. I had no blueprint, she recalls, just a rolling pin and perseverance. What sets Wu apart is her ability to blend tradition with innovation. While her early ventures focused on hot pots and seafood, she later introduced a menu that reflects her love for Chinese ingredients, like butter crab over hand-pulled noodles. Her second location, Westlake Center, opened just before the pandemic, and she even transformed her University District restaurant during lockdown into a modern space. Today, her third restaurant, Seaview, aims to redefine luxury in Chinese-American dining. With a menu featuring spicy numbing dumplings and seafood soups, she's balancing affordability with quality. But here's where it gets controversial. Should high-end dining be exclusive? Wu insists, "I want everyone to come to Happy Crab and be happy." She's also exploring opportunities to mentor young chefs, offering resident chef nights, where they can create dishes for the menu. Yet she acknowledges the challenge of scaling a business while keeping costs low. Profitability isn't the only goal, she says. It's about creating a space where people feel welcomed, no matter their income. This is why her story resonates so deeply. It's not just about food, it's about dreams, resilience, and the power of a single recipe to inspire change. But as she admits, life doesn't always go as planned, but we learn from every challenge. Whether you're a fan of Biang Biang Noodles or a curious foodie, Wu's journey offers a reminder that passion, hard work, and a little bit of luck can turn a dream into a reality.